السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد، رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. اللهم نرجو رحمتك فلا تكلنا إلى أنفسنا طرفة عين وأصلح لنا شأننا كله لا إله إلا أنت. اللهم أحسن عاقبتنا في الأمور كلها وأجرنا من خزي الدنيا وعذاب الآخرة وأجرنا من خزي الدنيا وعذاب الآخرة. اللهم اجعل الحياة زيادة لنا في كل خير واجعل الموت راحة لنا من كل شر. اللهم أذهب البأس رب الناس واشف أنت شافي لا شفاء شفاؤك إلا شفاؤك لا يغادر سقما. اللهم احفظنا تحت ظل عرشك لا يكون ظل إلا ظلك. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم يا أيها الإخوة في هذه الحلقة الجديدة لتعلم اللغة العربية. اليوم سوف نكمل الدرس الثاني الذي يتعلق أو موجود في جزء ثاني. نعم. وبعد سوف نتكلم على القوانين الذي يتعلق بالجزء الثاني بالنسبة خاصة للفعل إن شاء الله. So just we will start with the remaining part of the second chapter. So just this was the second chapter, and in this we have completed the exercises and only some dialogues which were left. We will finish them today, and soon we will study the new rules for the construction of file. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. What Bilal has to say, and we are just on chapter number 2 for the Kana wa akhwatuha, Kana and the sisters. So as we know that Kana is a fi'lun naqis, it is not a complete fi'l, and it gives tarfa'ul isma wa tansabul khabara. It gives a dhamma to the ism and a fatha to the khabar. This we know. And Laisa is one of the sisters of Kana. The difference between Kana and Laisa is that in the Laisa, the khabar, the khabru Kana or khabru Laisa will come with a kasra. Like in the Quran, it is Alaysa Allahu bi ahkamil hakimin. Alaysa Allahu. So there is Laysa Allahu, is not Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then it comes bi ahkamil hakimin. He is the hakim. And here it has been used ahkam. So it is a superlative degree, ahkam. Of all the hakims, he is the one of the best, or one of the one who is superlative to all the hakims. So here it comes with bi. Like it's right, we write like alaysallahu, alaysallahu. Then we say bi ahkamil hakimin. So here comes the thing which we have to note is Laisa comes with a dhamma. This is the ismu Laisa, and the khabru Laisa comes with a bi. But in Kana and other sisters we will not see this bi. Anyways, now Bilal says atullabun hum, are they all students? Tullab is the jama for talib, for one student. Atullabun, whom are they all students? It's a question. So the Hisham says La huwa laysu bi tullabin inna ba'dahum tujjarun wa ba'dahum muhandisun. No, they are not students. Verily, بعضهم تجار. Verily, some of them are tujjar, some of them are businessmen, وبعضهم, and some of them are engineers. So in this sentence, or في هذه الجملة, ماذا نريد أن ننتظر من القوانين أو قواعد؟ أولا ليسوا not. In ليسوا, where is the اسم ليس? In ليسوا, where is the اسم ليس? Dr. Zahid, where is the اسم ليس of in ليسوا? Laisa will be having a ism and a khabar, because we say Laisa is fi'lun naqisun wa jamidun. So it will be having a ism and a khabar. So where is the ismu Laisa? And where is the khabru Laisa? Where is the ismu Laisa and where is the khabru Laisa? Akhi Zafar, Dr. Zahid.
Whom is Laisa?
Where?
Whom?
In Laisu, where is ism? Where is the subject? Who is doing this action? Or where is the doer of this action? Who is the doer of this Laisu?
Whom?
No.
It's
yes, Laisu is for whom only, because it is this, but it is mentioned here now who is the doer of action. In Laisu, it is already mentioned who is the doer of action. Who is doing this? Wow. Wow is the doer of action. Now, where is the khabrul Laisa? Bitullah bin is the khabrul Laisa. This is the khabrul Laisa. And wow is the ismu Laisa. It's the ismu Laisa. So we say Laisa, it is fa'lun naqisun wa jamidun. Wow is the ismu Laisa. And khabru Laisa is Bitullah bin. Bitullah bin. Inna ba'dhahum. So now what is this inna wa akhwatuha, chapter number 1. What is inna? Inna is harfu. What is the definition for this? Harfu tawkidin wa nasbin. It is a harf which emphasizes, which stresses what is coming after that, and it gives a nasab, it gives a fatah. That's why you see inna verily ba'za. Ba'za is the what is the position of ba'za in this sentence? What is the position of ba'za in this sentence? And what is the position of tujjar in this sentence? Inna also comes with ismu inna and khabaru inna. And we know inna actions, inna works on tansabul isma wa tarfaul khabara. It gives a fatah to the ism, and it gives a dhamma to the khabar. So where is the ismu inna?
Ba'da.
Yes, baza is ismu inna. But baza is ismu inna. Then what is whom? it also is muzaf, because this baza is going to somewhere, na? It is going to whom? So whom is associated with the baza. So whom will be muzafun ilay. The muzaf is going to muzafun ilay. So what is the position of tujar?
Khabar inna.
Yes, it is khabaru inna. And the way we can recognize this is by dammatain, because khabru inna is marfu. Then this is wawul ataf, and the whole sentence is after that is matuf. Alaka banatun. Do you have
Daughters.
daughters? Alaka banat. So banat is the jama for
Bint.
bintun. Bintun banatun. Do you have daughters? Alaka banat. And I told you we will not say indaka banat. Indaka. In, though it is giving the same meaning, but for the living things we use laka. Banat, why? Because not ki, why ka? Because Bilal is talking to Hisham. Hisham is a muzakkar. Would it have been Khatija? He will say alaki. Alaki. So alaka banatun. Do you have daughters? Naam li khamsu banatin. Yes, jawab is harfu jawab li but bana li khamsu banatin. Banatin. So in this the mubtada is, what is mubtada? Khamsu. But this is also what? Mubtada plus. What is this mubtada plus? And what is banat then? Very simple. By the Arab, you can recognize them. And only one dhamma, I already told you. This is mubtada wa huwa
Muzaf.
muzaf. Ahsant, wa huwa muzaf. And what is banatin?
Muzaf ilay.
What will come after muzaf? Muzafun ilay. Sahih. And one thing, as I told you, for adad and ma'dud, for the things which we are counting, the things which we are counting, adad is the number. The things which we are counting, they are always opposite of each other. Because if it is muzakkar, then if adad is muzakkar, then ma'dud will be muannas. As I told you last time also, if adad is muzakkar, is a male, then ma'dud will be muannas. Then ma'dud will be muannas. Now here is the example. Adad is khamsu, 5. And what is ma'dud? Banat. Khamsu is muzakkar, banat is muannas. So once we have opposite things, that time we have to remember that it will not come as, it will come as khamsu, not khamsatu. I can also write this thing in another way. I can say khamsatu banatin. in writing like this, the meaning is correct. 5 daughters. But the way I am writing, it's wrong. The rule is not jeopardizing the how I am jeopardizing it, because if banat is more, it's a female, then the other will be male. It should be muzakkar. How come I have written wrong here? Can anyone tell me?
Because the ta mudawwara.
Yes, because of ta'i mudawwara. Ta'i mudawwara is a sign of a female. So a female will not come with a female. Yes, I can. How can I correct this sentence? If I say khamsatu, then what I have to say? Khamsatu.
Abnai.
If it is banat, daughter, what is the opposite of daughter? Sons. Then I will say khamsatu abnain. That time it's correct, because this is male and this is female. So these things should be mukhalif. In counting, once we are counting the things, these should be mukhalif. And this li is jar majrur should be jumla khabar. Then amutazawwijatun hunna, are they all married? Then why he is saying here? Then why he is saying here hunna? Then why is he saying here hunna?
He's pointing to all of them.
Can't he say whom? Can't he say
Hunna.
whom?
No, hunna is for the females and whom is for the male.
Yes, yes, because here this is a mubtada and khabar. The mubtada is hunna, so the khabar will be female. The mubtada and khabar, they go in hand. Hunna is female, so the khabar is also mutazawwijat. It is tazawwaja, yatazawwiju, mutazawwijun. We will study about this file. It is actually, the file is to get married. Tazawwaja, yatazawwiju, tazawwij. Are they all married? La. The answer Hisham is giving no. Hunna lasna bimutazawwijatin innahunna sigharun. بعضهن في المدرسة ابتدائية وبعضهن في المدرسة المتوسطة. No, they are not married. Verily, some of them are, verily, they all are small, and some of them are in the primary school and some of them are in the middle school. So now once we try to analyze this sentence, la is harfu jawab lin nafi, the mubtada is hunna. Where is the khabar? Lasna bimutazawwijatin. Lasna bimutazawwijatin. Now this khabar we can say lasna. Now we will split this. Lasna. We know laisa, laisu, laisat, laisata. Lasna. Lasna is used for a group of females which are third person. Lasna bimutazawwijat. So this is lasna. And where is ismu laisa? In lasna, Where is Ismu Laisa?
Hurfe Noon.
It is
Noon.
Na.
no. Noon is not Ismu Laisa.
Hunna.
Yes, it's Hunna. We will say Ismu Laisa Mustatir. Ismu Laisa Mustatir means it's hidden. Then we will say it is, firstly we will say Mustatir, hidden. Then we will say Takdiruhu, that it is going to, or it is estimated to
Hunna.
Hunna. And where is the khabar?
بمتزوجات.
بمتزوجات. jar majroor. Shubi jumla. Khabar laisa. Inna hunna. What is inna? Harfu tawkidin wa nasbin. What is hunna? What is hunna?
Ismu Inna.
Hunna is ismu.
Inna.
Yes, ismu inna. And what is sigarun? Khabaru inna. Khabaru inna is jama. Hunna is jama. So if the ismu inna is jama, khabaru inna will also come jama, because we know sagirun. What is jama? Sigarun. Ba'dahum. Ba'dahunna fil madrasatil ibtidaiyya. Some of them are in the primary school. Fil madrasati ibtidaiyati. Wa ba'dahum fil madrasati jar majrur shubi jumla. Mutawassitati middle school. Again kasra, because jar majrur shubi jumla. So innahunna sigarun, ba'dahunna, some of them are in the school. And this sentence, this ba'dahunna, this ba'dahunna fil madrasati, we can say that this is a new sentence which is starting here. We can say that this is what? Ba'zu is here. Mubtada. Wa huwa
Muzaf.
muzaf. And where is muzaf ilay?
Hunna.
Hunna is a muzaf ilay. Sahih. And where is the khabar?
Fil
Jar
madrasa.
majrur shubi jumla fil madrasati. Very clear. Alaka ikhwatun. Do you have brothers? La laysa li ikhwatun. Inna li salasa akhwat. So he is not having brothers. So what he is having?
Only daughters.
Sisters.
Oh, sorry, sisters.
Akhwat. So he is having akhwat. Then furthermore, muslimatun hunna, are they all Muslims? Naam. Hunna muslimatun walhamdulillah. So again here, this is akhun. Akhun, the jama is ikhwatun. So do you have brothers? The answer is la, I don't have brothers. So he is saying laysa li ikhwatun. So the la is here, no. Laysa is I don't have brothers. I don't have brothers. Now here, laysa. Laysa is fa'lun naqisun wa jamidun. Where is ismu laysa? In laysa li ikhwatun, where is the ismu laysa?
Li.
Are you sure it's li?
Yes.
Please see
It's
the
hidden.
sentence.
It's hidden. It's
Huh?
hidden. It's hidden. Laisa.
Are you sure it's hidden?
Yes.
What is the Arab on ismu laysa? Ismu laysa, what is the Arab? It is Dhamma or Kasra
Dhamma.
or Fatah.
Fatah.
So do you see any Dhamma? Do you see any Dhamma?
No.
إخوة.
There is no Dhamma on there is no Dhamma on the sentence. There is
إخوة.
no Dhamma. Ikhwatun, ahsant, ya akhi. Ikhwatun is the ismu
ليس.
Laysa. So where is the khabru Laysa?
لي.
Ahsant, li is the khabru Laysa. Jar majroor shubi jumla khabru Laysa. Ahsant. Ikhwatun is actually Laysa ikhwatun li. It is Laysa ikhwatun li, but due to the emphasis which we are putting on the that he is not having brothers, so this li part is coming, because we know once we want to put a stress on the khabar, once we want to emphasize more on the predicate, that time we will say muqaddam. We will put the khabar in the front. So here you can see li is coming in the beginning. Inna li salasa akhawat. Inna is harfu tawkid wa nas. Where is the ismu inna? Tell me, what is ismu inna, mansoob or marfu? And what is khabru inna? Give an example from the Quran.
إن الله غفور رحيم.
Yes, inna Allah ha. So what is ismu inna will be?
الله.
Allah is mansoob or marfu or majroor?
مفتوح.
Maftu with a fatah. Sahih. It is with
مفتوح.
a
فتحة.
fatah. It's mansoob with a nasab. So we will say ismu inna is that we say mansoob. So here, where is the ismu inna?
ثلاثة.
Salasa, ahsan. And where is the khabru inna?
لي.
Li, ahsan. So we will say inna harfu tawqidin wa nasbin. What is ismu inna? Salasa. Plus we will say salasa is ismu inna mansubun wa huwa mudaf. What is akhawat? Mudafun ilayh. Now I have one question, that can I write salasatu akhawatin? Can I write salasatu akhawatin? Inna li salasa akhawatin.
No.
Can't I write salasatu akhawat?
No.
Why?
Other than Madhud should be opposite.
Other than Madud should be opposite, because we last time we just in the last sentence we studied, like it was khamsu banatin. Khamsu banatin. So in this khamsu banatin, what was the issue coming? That it was adad was muzakkar and banat was bint. It was muannas. So here we see that salasa akhawatin, here it is, but it is coming on what? We can say also that the ikhwatun or akhawat, it is muzakkar. So if it is muzakkar, it is also muzakkar, then it's an error. But we have to take it is in the singular form. What is the singular form? We will not take jins. We will not say that ikhwa is muzakkar. We have to see the last sign. It is muannas, ikhwatun. So once it is as muannas, so that's why the salasa will be muzakkar. A muslimatun hunna, is it jama muzakkar salim, muslimat, or jama muannas salim, or it is taksir, jama taksir? What is it, muslimat? What is it? Muslimatun is jama muannas salim or jama muzakkar salim?
مؤنث سالم. مؤنث. It's مؤنث.
It is muannas salim because muslimatun, muslimatun. Naam hunna muslimatun. Hunna muslimatun. Yes, they are all Muslim. Now, just one thing I just want to tell you that once we talk about the fi'l, we talk about the fi'l. In the fi'l, once we say fi'lun, mainly there are sitta abwab. There are sittatu abwabin. There are 6 ways or 6 doors of making the fi'l. Number 1 is with the bab nasara. What is the meaning of nasara?
He was helped.
He was helped. It is nasara yansuru. Nasara. This is one. Number 2 is zaraba. What is the meaning of zaraba?
He was struck.
He was
Struck.
struck. He was beating. Zaraba yazri. Zaraba yazribu. What is the third one? Fataha. What is fataha?
فتح.
Suratul Fatiha.
Opened.
To open, it's the opening surah.
فتح.
Fataha yaftahu. Now what we have to see here, that this na sa ra, and we have yan suru. This is the fa kalma This is the ain kalma and this is the lam kalma. This we know. Fa'ala. This is the past tense. Fa'ala. We know that. Nasara. He was helped. Yansuru means he will be helped or is being helped. Now in the mudhari', once we are making that time the ain kalma, can be a dhamma, it can be a fatha, or it can be a kasara. Now just see, it is yansuru. Here this is the fa kalma, Sawad is the ain kalma and is the lam kalma. So the ain kalma is having a dhamma, okay, in the mudhara, in the future tense. Now if you will see here, you have a dhamma here, you have a kasra here, and you have a fatah here. So the ain kalma will change. It can have a dhamma, it can have a fatah, or it can have a kasra. We will say nasara yansuru, daraba yazribu. Now we say zaraba. Zaraba. Yazribu. This is fa kalma. Where is the ain kalma in yazribu? Where is the ain kalma? It is the ra. And this ra is having a kasra. So the ain kalma can have a dhamma or it can have a kasra. Now see the fataha. Fataha. In fataha, this is the fa kalma, this is the ain kalma, and this is the lam kalma. So fataha, it will be yaf tahu. So in this we have the fa kalma, ain kalma, and lam kalma. Now the ain kalma is fatah. So it means once we say fa la, the ain part can be it can be a dhamma, it can be a kasra, or it can be a fatah. So these are the 3 doors or 3 bab of
भाई अभी मैं
sulasi
क्लास में हूँ,
mujarrad.
प्लीज इस वक्त तंग मत करो, प्लीज आधे घंटे के बाद बात करो, प्लीज.
Dr. Himayu, please mute your mics. So in sulasi means 3-letter verb. 3-letter verb. So we are dealing in this book with 3-letter verbs. Fa'ala, dharaba, fataha, nasara. So these are the 3 bab. Mujarrad means they are sound. They are not broken, or we need not to add anything. Mujarrad. Sulasi mujarrad. Now just I will finish the class just by writing these 6 bab. 3 you know, nasara yansuru, zaraba yazribu, and fataha yaftahu. Now there are 3 more bab. One is sami'a yasma'u. Sami'a yasma'u. The second is karuma yakrumu. And the third one is hasiba yahsibu. In this, if you will see, Sami'a means to listen. Karuma yakrumu means to honor someone, and hasiba means to give hisab. Hasiba yahsibu. To have we say to make a guman, to think of something. So in this now, in Samiya, Karuma and Hasiba, what is the thing we need to know? If you will see in these three, this is Fata, Fata, Nasara, Zaraba, Fataha. Okay, in the Mazi, and we know that this is the Mazi. Okay, but if you will see these three above, Sami'a, Karuma, the ilma is not Fata. It is a kasra, it is a dhamma, and it is a kasra. These are three other verbs which we need to know, that in the mazi form they have a change in the ain kalma. Inshallah, we will be continuing this in next week. Sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. وأقول قولي هذا أستغفر الله لي ولكم جزاكم الله خيرا يا إخوان بارك الله فيك.